In order to change app permissions on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we want to scroll down a little bit and then go to Security and Privacy. In here in Security and Privacy, we should be able to find permissions used in last 24 hours. So of course, you can go over here in order to find them. We can also switch from last 24 hours to last 7 days. But also we can go to more privacy settings, and then in here we have the permission manager, where we have all permissions that we have on our phone, and you can tap on any permission over here in order to find the list of apps that are allowed to use the selected permission, and those apps that are not allowed to use the permission. Of course, you can tap on any app in order to change that, to manage the accessibility, to the access, to that permission. And besides that, you can also just go to the app settings instead. So if you go to settings, to the main menu over here, you can choose apps. Then in here we have the list of apps, of course, so you can choose any app whatsoever. And then in here, if you go to permissions, then we can see permissions that are allowed and not allowed, so you can manage that. If there are no permissions whatsoever, then it just simply means that the app does not require any permissions at all. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.